Spain in this moment.
Mm.
In Polonia too.
So before he was teaching Spanish, yes?
Yeah, Spanish, English, and Alemán.
Uh,
German.
Okay. Oh, he's a polyglot.
Yeah.
Great. I can hear this name.
It's German name too.
German.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. And
You tell me about another piece. You have 3 pills to the psychiatric, to the heart, and what is the last one? You need to sleep.
yeah. Sedative therapy. Anything that you can make.
Okay.
About lithium.
You need wash your clothes and food and need your place to stay.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Okay.
It will be good. Can you tell me what is the name of this dance? What do you think? Is it Latin dance or modern choreography?
Kind of
Pop
Latino.
Latino. Pop Latino, yeah? This is Latin dances.
Salsa.
Salsa. You like to dance?
Yeah, but I don't do it because I'm a mother now, or not. So I don't do anything.
You like dogs?
I have one.
No. So, actually, you can help me to find a place there. I have a tent, maybe I can stay in a tent there. Да ёханый бабай. Me gusta mucho. Как тут без суперфоток для Инстаграма? О, с улыбочкой, вот какая красота. Друзья, не забывайте, пожалуйста, подписаться на этот канал, поставить лайк, нажать на колокольчик и написать комментарий. Мы колокольчик делаем черного цвета обязательно и делимся роликом с друзьями, конечно же. И вроде все. Всем горячий привет из Аргентинушки. Впереди много интересного. Горячий латиноамериканский. Всем танцевальный привет.